Need to verify your email address in Figma. Email verification helps secure your account and ensures you can access important notifications and account recovery options. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to verify your Figma email in 2026. So let's get started. First, open the official Figma website and sign in to your account. If you've just created a new account, Figma may automatically prompt you to verify your email address. Make sure you entered the correct email address during registration. Next, open the inbox for the email address you used to register with Figma. Look for a verification email from Figma. If you don't see it in your main inbox, check your spam, junk, promotions, or updates folders if available. Once you find the email, open it and click the Verify Email button or the verification link inside the message. This confirms that you own the email address connected to your account. After the verification is complete, you'll usually be redirected back to Figma automatically. If not, simply sign in again and refresh the page. Take a moment to confirm that the verification reminder has disappeared. If you still haven't received the verification email, return to Figma and request a new verification email if that option is available. Also, double-check that your email address was entered correctly. Sometimes it can take a few minutes for verification emails to arrive. Finally, open your account settings and confirm that your email address now shows as verified. Your account is ready to use, so you've successfully verified your Figma email. And that's how to verify your Figma email. Keeping your email verified helps protect your account and ensures you receive important account notifications and recovery emails. It's a quick step that can save time if you ever need to recover your account. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next.